So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and we are back with the post market analysis. In this video we are going to talk about as to what has happened in the market today and what are we expecting from the market tomorrow. So first of all, I would like to say that whatever we had predicted yesterday, or I am predicting it from the last 2 days, that market might go and taste this level again, the previous very important level which was breached by the Nifty 2 days ago. So we were expecting market to go back and test this level, as this level was a very important level previously, and today we can see that market has tested this level again, and market has taken a support right from the range that we had created for the market, which we were previously taking as a resistance, and now it is hoped to be act as a support, and today that the range has acted as a support for the market. But as you can see, the today's candle, we can see there are downside rejection because of the support, but this is a sort of a candle after which you can expect that the previous bull trend might reverse. But there are two important things. First thing is that if this kind of pattern is made near a resistance, then we can be more sure that okay, a reversal can come. But this candle has made near the support level, not the resistance level. That's why we can't be sure of it. And the second thing is that the confirmation is very important, which I don't think that will come tomorrow. For me, the market is most likely to consolidate, right? And I'm not hoping market to go below this level, but the market are uncertain, and we can obviously accept that. And that's why if any huge selling pressure comes in the market tomorrow, as tomorrow is expiry also for the weekly option series, so we can expect a little bit of volatility. But as far as my expectations are concerned, that the candle will be somewhere in this consolidated range only. I'm not hoping for a much upside or downside move from the market for tomorrow, right? Because after the testing of the previous old level, I think that market might like to test this level again for a day or two, as I'm hoping it for tomorrow that it will test this level again, or if not testing the level, if not touch the level, then will be in the range of these two candles only. We are not going to see a huge big candle which is crossing above these candle. Less likely thing is that is a less likely thing. And as 3 days have passed, so let us check what sort of candle market is making on the weekly time frame, correct? Because we need to keep an eye as to what is happening on the weekly time frame, correct? So this is the weekly candle, you can see. So until now, no reversals looks like on this candle. This candle look very comprehensive bullish candle, so nothing much to take from here. But on the daily time frame, we can take a lot from this candle. But as I have told you, this candle, if was made near a resistance zone, then this candle has more significant implication. But made near support zone, this candle does not have much significant implication. So as far as I don't think there are any price action which can tell us that market might break below the resistance. And as we move to the shorter time frame, we can see that once the market has taken the support on this range, we have seen a good upside movement. Again, we can see this 215 candle. This is a long bullish candle, and again a bullish candle for the last 15 minutes was also made by the market. So yeah, market is in a good bull mood after testing the support, which means that this level has reacted as a good support level for the market. But I am hoping that might not be much movement tomorrow. Again, might be the same range as today's was there in the market. Obviously there was a little bit of fall in the market for today, but hoping that tomorrow also market follow the same path only and will remain somewhere here only. And in the 15 minute, as I had told you, that market is in the range, and we had marked this pattern, and I told you that this is more likely that market might go below this to test this previous old level. And similarly market has done that only, but after that we can see a comprehensive bull run was there in the market, good rise in the prices we have seen on the 15-minute charts. Also we can see this, but I'm hoping that the tomorrow market will try to consolidate somewhere here in this range only, not likely to go far away from this, because again for testing this level, the old level which we have seen on the daily time frame where market has made us low today, for going back to that level again, market has to market have to breach below this level which we have marked on the 15 and the 5-minute chart. So market again have to test this level before going to that old level. So yeah, that is going to be difficult for the market. That's why I'm hoping that market to consolidate near this zone only, right? So as these are my expectations from the Nifty 50. Now taking you to the Bank Nifty. So as I have told you that the Bank Nifty is nowadays following the path of the Nifty 50. I'll show you how. You can see first of all the candle made by the on the daily chart by the Bank Nifty is also very similar to the Bank Nifty. Nifty 50. The candle of the Bank Nifty is also very similar to the Nifty 50 and very similar reversal candle. But this candle has not made near any support zone. And it is made at almost at a peak, so a confirmation can signal us that market might fall. But as I have told you, Bank Nifty is more likely to follow the path of the Nifty 50. So I am hoping for one more consolidated candle in the Bank Nifty as well. So let me show you the strength of the relationship in the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty is that this is the trend line we had marked on the hourly chart. So if marked on the hourly chart, then market should respect this level at least once. But as you can see, the Nifty 50 has fallen. So Bank Nifty has also taken the same path and has breached this line which was acting as a support, a trend line which was acting as a support. So Bank Nifty breached below this line, correct? So this was purely because the movement we have seen in the Nifty 50 and financial sector was the main sector which dragged the Sensex and Nifty down, and that has also dragged the Nifty Bank also below this trend line, correct? If we look at the even shorter time frame, we can see at last there was little bit of movement, but after falling we have seen mostly consolidated range only for the Bank Nifty, and I'm hoping that Bank Nifty might follow the same consolidation. But if Nifty 50 takes any direction, Bank Nifty is likely to follow that direction, which is not expected in the Nifty 50 as well. So tomorrow is going to be a range bounded day, so you can do your premium eating, right? You can do your premium eating in the market, which is means put or call writing going to be the best thing, because theta factor is going to be in the play tomorrow, right? As tomorrow is the expiry also for the market, correct? So I hope as far as we are clear about the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty, we have seen good candlestick patterns, but I don't think that candlestick pattern is going to affect Bank Nifty or Nifty 50, either of them. And we are hoping for a consolidated day tomorrow, and tomorrow's day can give us a good signal as to what we can expect from the market for the upcoming week or for the Friday. So let's hope that whatever we had thought market might go like that, because till now market is going according to our expectations and predictions. As we had discussed, that Nifty 50 might go and try to test that previous level, and Nifty 50 did that today. So I am hoping that tomorrow also market will move according to what we are expecting. And as we are expecting a consolidated day tomorrow for the indices, that's why I'm not going to pick any stock for tomorrow trading, because in the consolidated day, when we are expecting a consolidated day on the volatile on the expiry, that's a bit risky to trade in the stock specific. We might have some good analysis in the stocks, but might go bad because of the market movements. That's why I have not picked, and I have not seen any such price action in the stocks that I would like to recommend. That's why we are leaving that part for today, but tomorrow surely we'll discuss some stocks also. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. I hope you liked the video. Please press the like button, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.